Welcome to VisiStat's hosted forms. Now you have the ability to design, edit, and configure your own web forms with our easy-to-use drag-and-drop form builder. This video will show you how to build a form, configure form preferences including real-time email alerts, install your form snippet, and make changes to the width or height of your form. Let's go ahead and get started. From within your reporting environment, you can access VisiStat hosted forms by clicking on the forms icon in the top navigational bar. We're going to start from the beginning of the process by going to the Form Builder Step 1, Building a Form. On the left side, you are able to see the form fields you can drag and drop into the main panel. Editable headings, validated email fields, telephone fields, quick combo fields, and more. We're going to go ahead and build a Contact Us form for our website. Let's start by editing the heading. You can change font, size, color, insert images, center align. Always just be sure to press the Save Changes button at the bottom of the heading field to make sure that your changes are saved. Back on the main panel, you can change label alignments, background colors, font settings. If you need to go back and readjust the heading, just click on the Edit Heading button and you can do so. If you need to delete a field, click on the field and press the red delete icon. I'm going to go ahead and use a CRM quick combo field. This way I can seamlessly integrate my form with my CRM leads. I can modify the options and choose which fields will be included in my form, which ones are going to be set as required, and which one I will choose as my designated identity field. The selected identity will set this as their VisiStat identity throughout your entire VisiStat reporting. You can also easily edit the labels for the fields. Be sure you don't leave any fields as untitled on your published forms. Add in text areas. And every form will also need a submit or send button for your website visitors to complete their entry. You can always drag and drop items around your main panel, but clicking on the gear icon will allow you to move items up and down, duplicate fields, set as required, set as identities. Be sure to carefully look over your form, double check any modify options, and you can go ahead and press Next. Step number 2 will ask us to name our form. Name your form and press Next, and then save or publish the form. If you're ready to install the form snippet, go ahead and press Publish. Here at Step 3, we are presented with our form iframe snippet. You have HTTP and HTTPS settings. You can adjust any width or height, and you can also email the snippet to yourself, a webmaster, or IT person. I'm going to go ahead and proceed to my form settings. Here in the Form Manager, you can always change or add to your form settings by clicking on the Settings gear icon. Easily set up email alert preferences, instant notifications, or summaries. Set up your CRM integration with Leadcaster CRM, Salesforce, Sugar, or ConnectWise, and then see the fields that will be automatically pushed into your CRM as leads. Enter your notification messages. The one on the left will show once your website visitor has completed your form, and the one on the right will appear if your form is unavailable to display. Click on the Save button to receive the confirmation check. You can also edit the authorized domains allowed to display your created form. This ensures that no one can use your hosted form snippet for unauthorized purposes. Next to each form name, you have various actions for each form. See the status, preview your form, change form statuses, edit, delete, and see the form snippet for installation. Now we're going to show you how easily you can install the form snippet. Just like the tracking code, if you have access to the HTML of your web pages, you can do this without any IT help. Find the spot on the page where you'd like the form to appear. For this example, we're pasting the form on our Contact Us page, right after the text, Talk to you soon. So I'll paste in the snippet, save the file, and go to the live page, refresh the page. Looks great. Now here's the real beauty. Say I wanted to make a change to the form fields. Let's use the example that I want to remove the header field. I can click on the Edit Pencil icon, remove the heading. It will ask me to rename the form, maybe version 2 or something different. Now go ahead and reload your page. And bam, without any edits to the code, my form includes my recent changes. The last part of this video will show you how you can easily edit the width and height of your form. For example, if I don't want the iframe to take up this extra space, in the code, I can simply change this. You can also make these edits when first pasting in the code. That's why it's always a good idea to load the page or pages where the form will show and make these adjustments. So within 5 to 10 minutes, you can design, build, configure, and install a beautiful web form and have your form immediately integrated with your lead generation efforts, campaign tracking, website analytics, and CRM. So thank you for using VisiStat hosted forms. Enjoy.